Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I love chicken, and I think I was a chicken in my previous life. I love vegetables, and especially ground black pepper. So I put together this black pepper chicken dish. The great thing is, you can do it in under 30 minutes, and it's a great midweek meal, and it's one pan. So let me walk you through this, and let's get started. So what I've got here are 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cubed up. And to make the marinade, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Of course, my all-time favorite, pepper. And I'm going to add quite a bit of this. I just love pepper. Take my spoon and mix this until the chicken is completely covered. We haven't started yet and this smells so good. So I'm going to let this marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes, just until everything kind of soaks in. Okay, while the chicken's marinating, let's make up the sauce by combining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and again a tablespoon of rice vinegar, and a tablespoon of cornstarch, and again my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy whisk and whisk this up. Okay, now our chicken is nicely marinated. I'm going to add a bit of oil to a preheated pan. Place our chicken in. Love that sizzle. And I'm going to cook this till it's cooked through. You don't want it brown, just nicely white. Now the chicken is cooked through, and I said not brown, just white, but that's the marinade coming through. I'm going to add in some veggies, a couple of chopped onions, a small bell pepper, red bell pepper, a couple of stalks of celery, and a chopped shallot. And I'm going to grab a couple of my wooden spoons and toss this just and cook it until the veggies are tender crisp. It smells so good. Okay, now the vegetables are tender crisp. I should mention it's about 6 minutes on the chicken, maybe 3-4 minutes on the veggies. I'm going to pour in our sauce. And we're just going to fry this up until it thickens. Now the sauce is thickened, we're going to go ahead and plate this up. So I'm going to put this over a bed of steaming hot rice, and this smells incredibly delicious. Just look at that. And there you have it, guys, our black pepper chicken. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. So I'm going to snag up some veggies and some chicken and a bit of rice. Guys, this is super duper good. And I love it. You can make it so fast. The chicken is tender, the veggies are crispy. Well, crispy tender. You got to make this for sure. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time.